Okay, so SpringRole is like a crowdsourcing recruiting company.
Okay.
And if you refer your friends to jobs, you can earn money. And the money is based on how popular the job is. So if it's popular, you don't get as much money, but if it's not, you will. And you get the money once your friend goes for an interview.
Okay.
Okay?
Awesome.
Did I miss anything?
Yeah, and the way that it works is that SpringRole is they have the algorithm that goes through your friends list from LinkedIn and or Google Plus or whatever it is you're signed in with, and they do the filtration of if they qualify for the job or not for you. So all you do is that you get many recommendations from them on daily basis, but you have to actually refer them so they feel like it's coming from you, and that would be the incentive of a friend referring a friend, but in return you also make money for it.
Okay, cool. So this looks like the Chrome extension in action. I'm thinking this is what it looked like if I would have clicked it and now it's popped up.
Okay. So your first, what did you see first?
What did I see
What caught
first?
your attention first?
This.
Okay.
I earned $90. Yeah, I think the circles kind of drew me in.
Okay. So, okay, your task is to go into the jobs panel
Okay.
and filter the job.
Okay. So I'd go over here, jobs, and I'd filter them by what?
Okay, you just want to look at it, you're gonna close it. You're like, okay, I don't need to change anything.
But let's look at once you go into the filtering the job, just visually, how do you feel? Is it clear of how you can filter? I know it's not actually active, but do you understand what are the categories you can filter in, or what actions you have to do to be able to filter?
So I think I can filter by state, city, or industry.
Okay.
And I would imagine I would click these and it'd come up with a little pop-up of different selection options.
Yeah.
And then I'm not sure what this would be. Is this going to be telling me based on what I pick in here?
Right.
Like,
No, those are also going to be bars, but we have to. We're going to show a way that you can scroll the bar up and down.
okay.
I think that's a good point that you mentioned, because it's not really obvious that you can actually do something to the bar.
Yeah, I was thinking this was more telling me, I thought this was results.
Right.
Telling me more something about what happened here.
Right. Okay. And also, did you notice that you can switch back and forth between US and India?
Yeah, I saw that. Is that just where I'm sourcing these people from?
Right.
So is that where the jobs would be, or is that where the
Yes.
people I'm recommending are from?
Where the jobs would be.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we get out, and then how do you feel about just the graph and font size? Is it like, can you read it easily, or how do you feel?
It's a little small. I think if it were, yeah, it's a little small. It's kind of hard to read.
Okay. All right, so we get out of the filtration, and I think Ani's.
Okay, the next one is you're like, okay, I want to cash out my money.
Want to cash out?
Yeah.
I'll just click right here.
Okay, can you click on it?
Okay, so then do I have to tell them how much?
No, we'll change that into $90.
So that would be automatic?
Yeah.
And then I would select how they're going to pay me?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Okay.
Okay,
And then I
so
just,
okay, so you can close this.
okay.
If you wanted to cancel, you didn't want to. You just want to go back. Like you don't want to cash out now. What do you think you should do?
I would click this X.
Okay.
It's a little small though. I think if it was a little bigger,
Right.
I'd see it right away.
Right.
Okay, so now you're like, okay, let me look at my recommendations,
Okay.
and I don't want to recommend Annalise.
You don't want to recommend it?
No.
Then I'd probably close it.
Okay, you're like, I don't want to recommend Julian either,
Alright, close this guy then.
but I do want to refer Nairi.
I think I'd click in here.
So, what do you think? Can you edit this?
Yeah, it looks like something I can just click into. I think if it had the little text bar in there.
Right.
That might make it. But yeah, no, this looks great. It's
Okay.
got a little message, and then I can refer.
Okay, perfect.
Cool. So this would bring up people that the algorithm would pull from my LinkedIn and friends list and stuff who they think that would be appropriate for these jobs.
Right. But the jobs, and now let's go and try to pick the first job and try to,
Apply for it.
what do you think within the first job category, the first one that's listed? Can you tell us what do you think you can do on that tab, the first job for?
This guy right here?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking this is the name of the company,
Uh-huh.
and I don't know what stance means. Is that like a position there?
Name of the company.
Name of the company, okay. Senior action company, awesome. So I think you'd be able to apply, or if this wasn't something you want to apply for, you could probably close out of it,
Right.
and then it'd probably disappear like the other ones did. That's what I would think would happen. And then refer would probably bring up another list of friends.
Okay.
So do you want me to?
Do you who do you think when you say apply, what do you think? Who do you think it's applying?
I think that it would allow me to apply.
Perfect, okay.
Click on apply now.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Would you feel comfortable with this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, because that's how I would normally apply for jobs. Is this something I can, is this like a message, or is this something that I can edit?
No, it's just a message, warning message telling you that your LinkedIn information will be.
Okay. I think that it would be more clear to me that it was a message to me if it was in one of these other header fonts, because this looks like the same text that was in the message that I could edit.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so cancel or, yeah, get out of it.
Okay.
And then let's try to, for the same job, let's try to refer your friends.
All right. Okay, so this is telling me all about the job. So these are these all my friends?
Right.
Okay. So this would be pictures of them,
Mm-hmm.
potential earnings, and so then would I click here to refer people?
Mhm.
And are these the same people that are here?
Yeah, we maybe just showing the images of some of those. So like the first two are already pre-selected for you,
Okay.
but you can add more people.
Okay.
Did you understand that you can add more friends, or what was the
Yeah.
confusing part?
Well, I knew I could add more friends. So are these people that are kind of like maybe closer people that I know that I just want to keep on tab to like be referring all the time?
Mhm. No, I think these are just like the ads. You get the list down at the bottom with the scroll bar are all of your friends in LinkedIn. But the first two that are selected, SpringRole's algorithm automatically has selected for them because they think that they are a good match for the position.
Oh, okay.
How many people do you think you can refer to? How many people do you think you can refer?
I don't know, maybe one
Oh, okay.
or as many as I want.
Okay.
I don't.
You
Oh,
didn't-
refer 6 friends. 6.
Did you understand that it's up to 6, that you cannot refer any more than 6, or no?
That's pretty clear. Refer 6 friends. Yeah.
Okay.
But
Alright.
it kind of sounds like I have to refer 6 friends.
See, yeah. But if you say refer up to 6 friends, then you will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
How do you feel about the money within that leaf? What do you understand what's gonna do?
So I think this is how much somebody's gonna get paid an hour if they work there.
Oh, okay. All right, we gotta think about that because that's actually how much money you're gonna make if you refer and they get interviewed.
Oh, okay. Maybe your potential earnings?
Yeah.
Then I know.
Yeah.
So, okay, I'm a little bit confused about something.
Yes.
So, what's the difference between add and refer?
Refer is the action after, like when you're selected all the people you're ready to refer, you just click refer and it refers all 6 of them.
Oh, it refers all of these people.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have to select friends from this list to come up here,
Yeah.
and then I can refer all of these. Okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
If you don't want to add any more friends, you can just refer the 2 that they are pre-selected for you.
Mhm. I think it would make more sense to me that these were the ones I was referring if this button was closer to that.
Okay.
Because I thought that I could select people here and here, and that I just wasn't sure it was
Right,
work.
okay. That's a good point, though, that we want to make sure. But also, I think one of the things we want to point out was the money matter. It was not clear that you're going to make that much money.
Mhm.
Okay.
Can you close out? And then, so you're like, I want to check the referral history
Okay.
and see how many people I referred.
Referral history. I'll probably go here. All right. So these are all the people.
Yeah, you scroll down.
Mhm.
So from referral history, from just the very short thing that we told you, can you tell us a little bit of what you understand from the